Don't worry, Mom. I'll call you as soon as I reach Delhi. Okay? Bye. Yes, she's sleeping right now. Okay, as soon as she wakes up, I'll tell her to call you. Oh, hi, I'm Rashmi from an English Nut. I'll talk to you as soon as I finish eating, okay? Your guess is right. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the usage of the conjunction as soon as. Listen to these two sentences carefully. Sentence number 1. I will reach Delhi and then call you immediately. Sentence number 2. As soon as I reach Delhi, I'll call you. Both the sentences mean the same, but sentence number 2 sounds better and interesting. Let's learn how to use as soon as. As soon as means immediately after. For example, I'm going to have a shower as soon as I get to my hotel room. It means I get to my hotel room and immediately after that I'm going to have a shower. I'll get to my hotel room and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have a shower. So as soon as means immediately after. I have to go to the mall, but it's raining outside. As soon as it stops raining, I'll go to the mall. You know my cousin Rohan? As soon as he wakes up, he picks up his phone. That's what most of us do nowadays, right? The other day, I was so absorbed in watching cricket, but suddenly it started raining and they had to stop the match. But they restarted the cricket match as soon as the rain stopped. Now you can use as soon as either ways. You can use it in the beginning of the sentence or in the middle of the sentence. For example, as soon as I heard the knock, I opened the door. Or I opened the door as soon as I heard the knock. As soon as the mother saw her son, she embraced him. Or the mother embraced her son as soon as she saw him. As soon as my friend saw me, she stopped the car. My friend stopped the car as soon as she saw me. Friends, have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't already, then as soon as you finish watching this video, do press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time I post a new video. See you soon. Have a nice day.